Hi guys, this is GSMDome.com and I'm here with the Xiaomi 17, the basic model, the core model. I like the green hue that we have here, and aside from the green hue, it's also available in gray, plus there's another version which is available in pink. I'm going to show you right now. This is the pink version. So the phone here is tailored for people with small hands. The Ultra may be too big for you, that's why you're getting a 6.3-inch handset. In spite of the 6.3-inch screen, you're getting a pretty large battery. I'm talking about a unit here which has 6,330 mAh. All of that crammed in a body which weighs 191 grams and measures 8.06 millimeters in thickness. It's quite comfy. It uses aluminum for the frame. It's IP68 certified and it's got glass at the back from what I know. For 999 euros should be glass here. It's matte glass that doesn't have fingerprints. At the front we're getting a special Dragon crystal glass protection, and the screen you're seeing here, well, this one is a 6.3-inch very bright panel AMOLED, 3500 nits, up to 120 Hz. LTPO drops down to 1 Hz. A resolution between Full HD and Quad HD. It's a 12-bit color depth and a special Pro mode. At the back we have Leica semi-lux lenses for the cameras, but before we get to that, we can actually discuss more about the processor. Even though it's such a small handset, it uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Gen 5 processor with 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage as well. Now the charging is actually pretty impressive. Charges via the USB-C 3.2 port at the bottom. Charges at 100 watts via wireless, 50 watts wireless. Reverse charge is also fast as 22.5 wireless. Now the cameras are actually impressive as well. There are 4 50 megapixel cameras here, 3 at the back and 1 at the front. The back camera, the 50 megapixel main one, f1.7 aperture, optical image stabilization, then telephoto 50 megapixel with optical zoom 2.6x. It also takes macros at 10 centimeters or so. 50 megapixel ultra wide, a bit modest on the angle, 102 degrees. I usually use something like 120 degrees. 8K capture, laser focus color spectrum sensor. At the front, 50 megapixel camera with autofocus, which is always welcome because autofocus used to lack even on some flagships. Now you can see here that we have a level of 2.6x optical zoom, 5x is digital, and you're already dropping some details. You can take Leica Vibrant or Leica Authentic shots, depending on the style of color you want. The Vibrant is well more vibrant, and Authentic is well typical for a Leica camera. You have document capture, you have portrait capture with Master Portrait or Leica Portrait, and then you have a video. As I said before, you can go up to 8K. However, if you're triggering the special shoot steady option, you're limited to 2.8K at 30 frames per second. We also have a Pro mode, which will let you capture a multicam setup and use log mode. Log basically creates a gray video if you look at it like this. But if you look at it like this on a PC, you're going to be colorizing it, your color profile, and your team will definitely work better on it. You can take JPEG, RAW, or Euro capture. You can also select the resolution here, 50 megapixel or 12. So there's a lot of stuff to play with. Time-lapse, slow motion, fast shot are part of the package. You can also create a dynamic shot, a moving picture basically. And there's, of course, super macro. Macro also available for your video needs. It runs on HyperOS 3.0, has a sort of dynamic island at the top if you need it. And of course, AI is part of the package. Not only circle to search, not only Gemini, but also this. So when you're writing text, it can do rewriting, it can do translation, it can do tone changes and much more. You can turn a static photo into the dynamic wallpaper. You can also do the creativity assistant with your photos, beautify, image expansion, erase pro, and so much more. Speech recognition is available from an audio recording application. It can distinguish speakers, it can do a summary, it can translate, transcript, so it's actually quite good to use for journalists and the media. Okay, so these are some of the photos it takes, and you're definitely going to be using the AI from here. You can also beautify, Ultra HD, highlights, shadows. Basically, I would dare to say that you're not missing many AI stuff, even if you're not buying the Ultra. So even the core Xiaomi 17 has some pretty cool features when it comes to AI, power, screen, Leica camera, and so forth. So all in all, a solid product, 999 euros starting price right now.